What is up? It is your girl Queen Wit, and I'm back again with another video. So basically, as you can see by the title, my hair is going to be me doing my natural makeup and stuff like that. So make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and post the bell and get notified whenever I post. You dig? So let's get on with the video. Hey guys, so I'm using a primer from Sephora, Feminine Beauty. So that's what I'm using to apply to my face, all over my face, as you can see. And I just apply it everywhere basically, and on my forehead, on my whole face, my cheeks, and close to my mouth as well, so all over the face. And as soon as I'm done with that, I like to make sure that it's all in my skin, and then I go in with my Feminine Beauty foundation. And basically what I do with that is that I like put some on my finger and just apply it to my face. I'm making sure everything is clean at the moment, but everything is looking good, and that's what I do. And as you can see, my beauty blender, that's what I picked up to use, but my beauty blender is kind of dirty right now, but I just like to do that. And as soon as I do it all over my face, I get the spots that have contained my acne. So basically I cover it up and I use my blending blender to spread it out and blend. So as you can see, I'm blending, cake blend. So basically, after I'm done with my foundation, I like to use my concealer from Feminine Beauty as well, from Sephora. And as you can see, I'm applying it to under my eyelids in a triangle fade. And I do it on my forehead and on my cheekbones and on my chin as well, close to my mouth. As you can see, I'm thinning it out, letting it dry first. And then I'm going to use my beauty blender again and to blend it all out. So after I'm done applying my concealer, I like to use my Feminine Beauty powder. So basically I'm gonna get a brush and just apply it all over my face. I usually go inward and outwards on my cheekbones, and I do my forehead as well to blend out my whole face. And as you can see, I do apply it on my neck, but I just skip fast forward for that. But as you can see, I'm just applying the powder all over my face and make sure it's clear and blended. So that's what I like to do at the moment. I'm just talking through, but as you can see, it's all over my face. And yeah. So after done with that, I go in with my concealer again and just apply the areas that were effective. So I'm taking my concealer and applying it on my nose area and around my mouth to make sure that it's blended and everything. And I like to make sure that on my mouth and on my forehead, everything is nice and clear, and on my nose. So after I'm done baking my face, I like to go with my eyebrow pencil and just shape up on my eyebrow eyebrows a little bit. As you can see, it's very thick. So I just draw them a little bit and then shape them up, and I use my concealer to go over them. But basically, I just shape up my eyebrows and stuff like that. I do need a trim, as you can see, but here's a finished look of my eyebrows, and they look really good. So that's what I'm super proud of. So I just like, loving myself and seeing my eyebrows in the finished look. Now I would like to go with my mascara and just apply it to my eyelashes. Hey guys, so this is the finished look. It looks really good. So I'm digging the whole look right now. So yeah. So make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and turn on post notifications so you get notified whenever I post. Without further ado, peace out, goodbye.